So today we are doing trinomial cube. So let's call the side A.
Remember, trinomial means we have three numbers.
Yes.
Algebraic, if you want to use algebraic notation, we say A, B, C. So A, B, C. We put the slips.
So this is
A, B, C. And here too will be what? A, B, C. Go ahead and A, B, C. What about here?
A,
B, C. A, B, C. And here A, B, C. A, B, C. So we have A, B, C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. So we have A, B, C squared. Okay. So, get
value.
You can write it like A plus B plus C squared. A plus B plus C squared. A plus B plus C squared. So that's what you have done here. Okay, so let's get the area, or get the value. Let's get the area. So A times A.
A squared.
Get A squared. B times A.
BA.
C times A.
CA.
A times B.
AB.
B times B.
B squared.
C times B.
CB.
A times C.
AC.
B times C.
BC.
C times C.
C squared.
So we can see the squares where?
Diagonally.
On the diagonal. Okay. So we have A plus B plus C squared. So let's get all these pieces again in our parentheses.
Perfect.
Yes. So let's get these pieces. So we have A squared plus BA
AB.
we have AB is there any other place we have AB?
No.
Okay, plus
AC. And CA.
CA AC plus
BC. CB.
let's say plus the B squared plus CB. We have another piece of CB, BC plus
C squared.
plus C squared. Okay, so we have to multiply that. So we are going to multiply this A plus B whole squared by A plus B plus C again.
Yes.
Okay, so and get our parentheses. So let's do something here. I'll remove this. We've already done this. Open this. This and this are the same.
Yes.
Okay, this and this are the same. So we just multiply this value here by A plus B plus C, which we already have here. Okay, so let's continue with our trinomial cube. You can see we have the trinomial squared here. We multiply the trinomial squared by A plus B plus C in order to be able to get to the cube of the trinomial.
Yes.
Okay, so let's isolate
B.
Isolate the first term of the multiplier, that's A.
Yes.
Okay, so let's do a multiplication now. A squared times A.
A cubed.
A cubed. Can you identify the cube? Yeah. Okay. So you bring it. So this is A cubed. Okay. BA times A.
BA squared.
BA squared. Can you identify the BA squared? This is A squared, the height of B. So this is BA squared. So get the slip. AB times A.
A squared B.
A squared B. Can you get the cube for the prism? Okay. A squared, the height of B. Okay, so get a slip for it. Next, CA times A.
CA squared.
CA squared. Can you identify the prism? C A squared. A squared.
C square A. Square
What we are doing?
C A squared.
C A squared. This A squared. And this is the height of C.
Yes.
Okay. AC times A.
A square C.
So identify the prism. A squared C. Yes. A squared, the height of C. A squared C. B squared times A.
B square A.
So identify the prism. Yes, B squared, the height of A. So let's get CB times A.
CBA.
CBA. So can you get the prism? Yes, CBA. So let's look. Okay. BC times A.
BCA.
Get the prism. BCA. C squared times A.
C square A.
Get the prism. Yes. C squared, height of A. Squared A. So with this, we have finished multiplying by the first term in our multiplier. So this is our first layer. I'm going to build it to the height of A. Let's get all the slips. We have A cube here, B squared A, B squared B. I build A squared B, the same. I build it here. Then C A squared So we have built our first layer
Yes.
to the height of A. Let's get the pieces here. Let's put all the terms that are the same. B, C, A, square. Okay. So let's go on to do the next one. isolate b. Yes. So a squared times b.
A square B.
Get the prism a squared b. There's the height of b, a squared.
B.
Yes. Next, ba times b.
B square A.
So get the prism b squared, the height of a. B squared a. AB times b.
AB square.
Get the prism. Height of a, b squared.
Yes.
So get the prism. The slip. CA times b.
CAB.
Get the prism. And the slip. AC times b.
ACB.
B squared times b.
BQ.
Get the prism. The cube rather. B cube. CB times b.
CB square.
Go ahead. Yes, the height of C and B squared. BC times B.
B square C.
Get the prism. B squared, height of C. C squared times B.
C square B.
Get the prism. Yes, C squared, height of B. So, with this prism, we have our second layer finished multiplying by the second term of our multiplier. So let's build our second layer to the height of B. So we have built our second layer to the height of B. So let's get the slips out, just as we did before. Let's get the ones that have like terms together. We have CB squared here. Where do we have B squared here? B squared here. So we can add all this here. A, B, C, C, we get the same thing here.
A square B.
A squared B. B squared okay. So let's isolate the last term in our multiplier. Okay, so A squared times C.
A square C.
So get the prism. height of C squared. A squared C. BA times C.
BAC.
Get the present. AB times C.
ABC.
Get the present. CA times C.
C square A.
Get the present. Yes. C squared, the height of A. Okay. Where did we stop?
A.
AC times C.
AC square.
Get the present. B squared times C.
B square C.
Get the present. Yes, B squared, the height of C. B squared C. BC times C.
BC square.
Get the present. Yes, C, height of B. CB times C.
C square B.
Get the present. Yes, C squared, height of B. And C squared times C.
C cube.
Get the present. C cubed. So with that, we are done multiplying by the third term in a multiplier, which is C. We are going to build this prism to the height of C. Let's get the slips. Okay. So to the height of C, you are going to build it to the height of C. Okay, so this is the third layer, built to the height of C. So we can put the second layer, which is built to the height of B, and the third layer. We can get the first layer built to the height of
A.
A. So we have our trinomial cube, just like the binomial cube. If you look everywhere, if you look at all the sides, you will see that you have A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. And if you open it, you'll see the same thing, A plus B plus C. So these are cube of A plus B plus C. Now let's get all the slips. Let's get all the slips together and write the cube, the different terms we have in the cube of our trinomial. Put all the like terms together. B, C, this BAC, same thing here. BAC, how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing we have here. And then let's get all the like terms here. A square B. Do we have another A square B? A square B. Then any other one? A square B. Okay. So C square.
C square A.
Yes. C square A. Another, do we have another one? C square A. Square A. Then A squared C.
Yes, A squared C.
A squared C. Then B cubed. Do you have CB squared? CB squared. Do you have
CB squared. Yes.
CB squared. And then AB squared. AB squared. AB squared. And then CB squared. Okay, so do you want to write down what we have here? So, our trinomial A plus B plus C cubed. That's what we have here. A plus B plus C cubed. You can write it down. A plus B, make it bold, plus C. And that's what we have here. This is our trinomial cube. Okay, equals, what are the pieces?
A cube plus BA square plus A square B plus A square B.
How many of them do we have?
3.
3. So you can write
3A square B.
Yes.
3A square B
Plus
plus
ABC. How many of them do we have?
6.
You can write that.
6 A B C
Plus AC squared. How many of them do we have?
3
So you can write
plus 3A C square
plus A squared C. How many?
we have 3.
3. Right.
3A square C
Plus
B cube
plus CB squared. How many of them?
3. 3B square C
Plus, you can continue, give some space.
plus 3AB square 3AB square plus C square B plus C square B plus B C square. That
they're the same
equals,
thing.
yes.
BC squared. We have 3 of them.
3B C squared. Finally, plus C cube.
So, these are the terms in our trinomial cube. Now, how many of these pieces do we have? How many of them all together? Let us see. How many pieces do we have all together? You can bring down the layers. Let's see. How many of them? How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We have 27. That is interesting. And 3 cubed. What is 3 cubed?
27.
3 cubed is 27. That is interesting. When we did the binomial cube, how many pieces did we have?
We had
The binomial cube?
8.
8.
Yes.
We had 8. That's interesting. And what is 2 cubed?
8.
That's interesting.